Lightweight steel construction trailer with durable quick-release 16-inch steel wheels. Safely and comfortably transports 2 children, up to 100 pounds max payload. Large front and side windows provide a bright, airy cabin for your little rider. Footguard tube protect passengers' feet, and a padded 5-point safety harness comfortable holds your child in place. Folding design with quick-release wheels makes for easy transport and storage. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Top reviews from the United States. Bring the kids along. Want a great leg workout and not sacrifice time with your family? Get yourself this guy. First, my scrawny 43 pounds 6Y along with his chubby 30 pounds 2Y brother comfortably with no fighting over being in each other's space. The cover, taken off in the picture, it was a hot day, has a bug, debris screen that still lets airflow in. It's still cool in got days, which also Kris out the harsh sun too. Also has rain cover. Lots of storage in the back and easy to go up and unhook for when you want your alone time back. The wheels are metal, don't be cheap and get a trailer with plastic wheels. Your kid's safety is worth the extra money, and the tires are air-filled for a more comfy ride. In all honesty, it pulls very nicely and smoothly. Other reviews have complained about the instructions being hard to understand and that it was difficult to put together. No. Not for me. I literally out this together in my garage on my own while both kids had a moment of calmness, rare, in their jogging stroller. I knew I didn't have much time but wanted to see how far I could get assembling it on my own. I got the whole thing done in 10 minutes. It's all common sense. You can do it, I promise.